I'm Tyler McKenzie. My pronouns are he, him, his. I am an artist. I am a son. I am a husband. I am a brother. I'm a New Yorker, and I am always in process. I think every New Yorker is a storyteller, and we all have something to say, and we all say it differently. I just happen to use my body most of all. In Hamilton, the Universal Swing covers all 6 male tracks of all 4 USA companies. It is such a colorful cast. No matter where you see Hamilton, you will always see hopefully multiple people that look like you, especially for Black and brown people, to be able to sit in that audience and see us stare at them and say, I look like you. And I'm doing it. Those are the stories that I want to tell. It took a minute for me to believe that I was good enough to do it. And like New York City, it can swallow you up. A lot of that deals with the fact that it's such a big mega hit, and you start talking to yourself in an unkind way, telling yourself that the big thing that you've worked so hard for, you don't deserve. I'm still learning things. I'm still maybe going the wrong way if I am on stage, and you'll forever be in process. You'll forever progress. You'll make mistakes. And Hamilton has as well. As a Ham fam, we hold each other's hands and we say, great, let's make mistakes together. I have learned so much by watching New Yorkers, and that has affected how I move throughout any show that I'm in. People move throughout the city so differently. The walking, their pace, their hustle. We're all telling a story here in New York City when we're walking around or when we're moving around. The universe has yet to give me a chance to be complacent. I am always being given the opportunity to learn something new, to fail forward. It is a practice for sure, but I'm having a good time and I have the right people by my side.